Hello YouTube. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another Hanging with Heavy video. Today, hang with Heavy as I hang with David Miller's Tree Service as we take down a huge oak tree in this backyard. That tree's probably over 60 years old, so hang with Heavy today as we take this tree down. YouTube, you can see that David Miller's working on this tree. Yes, he is. He's got it going on. It's got 4 hours worth of work now. They've got this tree about, I'm going to say about 75%, you know, the top of it cut out. And now we'll see what happens. Stick with Heavy as we finish taking down this humongous tree. And there she is, YouTube. They're whittling her down to the main stalk, if you will, like a big stalk of broccoli. They took it apart. I tell you right now, that guy in a bucket truck, he's very comfortable where it appears to be. Timber. Alright, I wasn't as bold as I thought I was. Well, YouTube, after 50 years of growing, this is all that's left. She was a good tree. A lot of fun was had up under and around that tree, I can tell you. Anyhow, YouTube, you know what I want you to do. Like, share, subscribe, give me a comment. And you know what? I'll catch you outside. Bye, YouTube.